Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of device issues on WhatsApp. To know how to fix or how to solve device issues on WhatsApp, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of WhatsApp and we click. Here in this list of app unfold, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.